Hi all. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the current controller design, and we have derived the current loop transfer function, that is IA divided by IA star. So here you can see that the current controller we usually use proportional control. For the high performance drive, we used to use PI controller. It is if you are using the simple logic that the PI controller will have zero steady state error. That is why we are using PI controller. That is the most case. In most case where you need high performance, we use PI controller because of the zero steady state error. And if you want both zero steady state error as well as a good response time, then we will be using PID controller. Usually we are not going for the PID controller, it will complicate the system. That is why we use a PI controller here. So now we have designed this much IA divided by IA star, that is the transfer function. Now we want to design the speed control or PI speed limiter, PI speed controller, which is used to control the speed. Actually, this current is controlled here. If you are using a speed controller, it will give the current IA star. IA star is the maximum, the current which is required to be given to the motor, or uh, you can say that it is the uh, reference current. So here you are giving a reference speed. So for the design, also we have to design the whole system. You consider this already, we have made IA divided by IA star, that is the transfer function of this much area. So now to design the speed controller, we are keeping IA divided by IA star as a transfer function here. After that, we have to consider the whole system. So here you are taking the speed omega m from the tacho generator. So here you are adding one more thing, that is tacho generator. So this h omega divided by 1 plus st omega, it is the transformation of tacho generator plus a filter. Actually, this tacho generator will generate, and this generated signal will be passed through a filter for making it accurate. Like there will be some ripples. To reduce the ripples only, we are using a filter. So both the things, the transformation of both the things, we are taking it as h omega divided by 1 plus st omega. So this is our feedback transfer function. Here you will be having a PI controller and limiter. So here if you are taking PI controller, then it will be having a PI controller transfer function, and here IA divided by AS transfer function will be here. There also motor transfer function we have to consider here. So we will be going for the speed controller, design of speed control by symmetrical optimum method. So symmetrical optimum method is, before going to symmetrical optimum method, first we will be discussing the whole system. So symmetrical optimum method, it is a method to optimize the total the bigger equation. For the simplicity, we are optimizing that way, simple equation. So that is not much important for you, but our sake, we need to design the speed controller. So here we can see that I have already discussed the same figure, which is seen in the total system loop that I am showing here. As we have discussed, the current control loop IA divided by A star is given here. Here the motor and load transfer function it is given. And in the previous one, we have considered the armature transfer function only, that is motor transfer function. Here we have to consider motor and load transfer function both. Okay. So here this is the speed controller plus limiter, that is ks into 1 plus sts divided by sts. This is a PI controller with limiter. and IA star is given. This is the current loop, and here the tacho generator plus filter, and omega R star, which is the reference of speed you have given. From here omega m you have taken from the output, and it is passed through the tacho generator plus filter. Anyway, it is the measurement of speed, so we are taking it as the feedback. This will give you the omega mr, and this is fed to the uh, adding port. From here you will be getting the error signal. This error signal is passed through the speed controller plus limiter, and you will be getting IA star. Uh, from IA star, you will be finding IA with the current loop, and this IA, if you are giving the particular IA, if you are giving to the motor and load, and this will achieve the speed omega m. So all the things you have given, and IA of S divided by IA star. Yesterday we have discussed this is IA divided by IA star, KC KR K1 into 1 plus STM divided by 1 plus ST1 into S1 plus ST2 plus HC KR KC HC KR KC K1 into 1 plus STM. In that, K1 is equal to Pt divided by Kp square plus Ra Pt. So if you are using that, we can write omega m of S divided by omega R star of S is equal to 1 by H omega into A naught into 1 plus STS divided by A naught plus A1S plus A2S square plus A3S cube. So this is actually we are writing in terms of some constant A naught, A1, A2, A3, and this A1, A2, A3 and S0 has been given like this. If you are finding the transfer function using this, you will be getting a very big equation. So to make it less complicated, we are using this. Since these are constants, you can easily substitute, or you can easily make it a single constant. When you are designing the system, if you are putting the values, all these values, you will be getting a naught, a1, a2 and a3, then it is very easy to find the transfer function. That is why we are using this. So 1 by h omega into a naught into 1 plus STS divided by a naught plus a1s plus a2s square plus a3s cube. So in this, a naught is equal to k5 ks by ts. Uh, um, actually, uh, okay, here A0 is K5 Ks divided by Ts, and A1 is equal to 1 plus Hc Kr Kc K1 plus K5 Ks, and A2 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus Hc Kr Kc K1 Tm, and A3 is equal to T1 T1 T2. Here we have one more constant K5. This K5 we have used in this two A0 and A1. This K5 is equal to Kb H omega Kr Kc K1 by Bt. Uh, mm, this is the actual transfer function of the speed controller of chopper control DC drive. So we have started with the symmetric optimum method. For the symmetric optimum method, if you follow the symmetric optimization method, then you will be getting two equations, that is a1 square is equal to 2 a naught a2 and a2 square is equal to 2 a1 a3. So if you are putting that, your k5 will be ks is equal to 1 by k5 into a2 square by 2a3 minus 1 plus hc kr kc k1, and ts is equal to here the ts is equal to 2 k5 ks a2 divided by a1 square. Okay, this is the method of designing the speed controller for the DC chopper controlled motor drive. Thank you.